Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Classes. Hope you all are safe at your home sweet home. Today we are back with another video of maths. But before we start, please subscribe this channel by clicking this red button over here and tap the bell icon to keep yourself updated with this channel. Straight, we should go towards our video now. So today we will study about the large numbers. How to write these large numbers. There are various methods to write the numbers. Let's see each of them. We can write the numbers in standard form, expanded form, and word form. When we are writing numbers in standard form, we can either write them using Indian system or using international system. Indian number system, also called as Hindu-Arabic number system. This system consists of 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Ones is divided into 3 parts: ones, tens, and hundreds. Thousands is again divided into 2 parts: thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs is divided into 2 parts: lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores is divided into 2 parts: crores and 10 crores. In the same way, international system also consists of 3 periods: ones, thousands, and millions. Ones consists of 3 parts: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands consists of 3 parts: thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions consists of 3 parts: millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So these are the 2 number systems which we usually use to write numbers. Now let's see an example of Indian number system. Here we are having a random number. We will first place them under each and every subsections of periods of Indian number system. So after writing like that, now we will write them in words. So this number is 9 crores 83 lakhs 21,546. Now let's see an example of international number system. So again we will just write down the numbers below the place value chart. So this random number can be written as 98,321,546. Now let's see how to write numbers in expanded form. In expanded form, we write the numbers as the addition of place values of its digits. For example, let's take this random number 5,143. So how we will write it? As we have studied earlier the place value charts, so keep those periods and classes in your mind, which will help us now. So after writing the place values of each digit above them, now we can write them as 5,000s plus 100s plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. Another method. Here we are again using the same number, but the method of writing will be different. We will write them as 5 into 1000 is equal to 5,000 plus 1 into 100 is equal to 100 plus 4 into 10s is equal to 40 plus 3, which gives us the second method of expanded form. Now the third method. Again we are using the same number, and here we will again take help with the place value chart. So 5 is on the thousands position, so we'll write it as 5,000 plus 1 is on the 100th position, so 100 plus 40 is on the 10th position, so 40 plus 3 is on the ones position, so 3. So 5,000 plus 100 plus 40 plus 3. This is your third method of expanded form. Now let's see some examples of it. 72,641. So we can write it like this from the first method. like this from the second method, and like this from the third method. Taking another example, 3,80,762. So we can write it like this using the first method, like this using the second method, and like this using the third method. Now moving towards the last form, which is word form. Again, the place value charts which are going to help us. So here is our place value chart and it's a random number. The method to write these numbers is same as we have studied earlier, just the difference is that earlier we were writing the numbers in digits and now we will write the numbers in words. So this number is equal to 76 crores 20 lakhs 80,905. We can see some more examples over here. The first one, 2,314. Second example, 94,430. And the last one, 6,72,963. Remember, we should know all the concepts of place value chart because this is very important to understand this topic clearly. I hope you have understood enough about the topic. Here are some questions which you can try by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe and study well.